Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to merge multiple objects in JavaScript while ensuring that values for the same keys are concatenated into arrays instead of being overwritten. This technique is useful in data aggregation, API response handling, and data manipulation. Let's get started. This function ensures that duplicate keys do not overwrite each other. Instead, values are concatenated into arrays, preserving all information. This is useful when merging API responses or multiple user settings. This function works by iterating through each object and its properties, ensuring that duplicate keys concatenate their values into arrays, instead of being replaced. The reduce method makes it easy to merge multiple objects dynamically. This method ensures that values are not lost when merging objects with the same key. Instead of overwriting, it combines the values intelligently, making it useful for handling structured data or merging user configurations. This function dynamically handles different types of values, ensuring that everything is preserved regardless of input structure, whether merging numbers, arrays, or objects. It provides a robust solution for object combination. This function is widely used in backend development, API merging, and configuration management. Whether combining user preferences or aggregating structured data, it ensures that no important data is lost. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to merge multiple objects dynamically, ensuring that values are preserved and concatenated correctly. This technique is extremely useful when working with structured data, merging API responses, and combining user settings dynamically. Try using these in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.